Let's start with the first website, which is called Current. I'll show you how you can earn money on this website. I'll also give you tips on how you're going to play the music and which music you should listen to. You can search it, and when you're on their website, you'll see their homepage. You'll see their homepage, which has phrases like, "I want to earn money while running," or "I want to earn money while I'm working." The message and goal is straight to the point. In essence, you can do whatever you need to do and still earn money. The good news is that this app is available in the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store. Everybody has the opportunity to get money, whether you're an Apple or Android user. The first thing to do is download the app. Make sure that it's the correct app. If you're asking if you can use this even without an internet connection, then the answer is yes. Besides the fact that you can listen to music anywhere, it's also free. Yes, you heard it. The app is free. You'll have the chance to play your favorite music and earn points that are convertible to cash while doing so. It's definitely a win-win situation. If you already downloaded the app on your phone or computer, then you can now go to YouTube Music radio station. You can scroll through the site to explore different artists and music playlists. You have a variety of choices, and there are numerous suggestions for music. I'll even give you a bonus and share how you can maximize your earning potential using this app. There are a lot of opportunities when you use YouTube Music together with the Current app. You can now click on a playlist, basically any playlist that looks or sounds interesting to you. You'll see various music, and you can even add more music to this list. If you're finished listening to the first song, you can proceed to the next one and play all the music in the playlist continuously. The thing is, you'll get money for every song that you play or listen to. It's important that you queue up as much music as possible. Once you play all the songs in the playlist, you can click the rewind button at the bottom right of the page, and it'll play the music in your playlist all over again. That'll be another batch of earnings. Another bonus can be found on the homepage. If you go back to the homepage and scroll through the hot list, you'll be redirected to a page that'll give you more suggested videos in higher quality. On this page, you'll also find new music videos that you can play repeatedly. Yes, it doesn't matter how many times you play the music. That means more money for you. Let me give you a tip. Do choose music videos from the page you were redirected to, because they'll pay you more money compared to the random playlist you can see on the homepage. Let's be clear though, the money that you're going to get will not come from YouTube. No, YouTube isn't paying you, but Current website does. You will get paid when you synchronize your YouTube music with the Current app. You can even play multiple playlists all at once. Yes, that's possible if you open multiple tabs where you'll play a different playlist. That is another secret I'm glad to share with you. Keep in mind that the more music you play, the more money you will earn. Well, the opportunity doesn't stop here. There's another way to make more money. Now go to YouTube's website and look for music that's at least 6 minutes long. But the longer the music, the better. After that, click on the Settings button. You'll see different options, but I want you to click on the playback speed. Of course, it's in its default setting, which is normal speed, but you might want to click on the fastest speed. If your playback speed is already at number 2, that only means that you can finish listening to the music 2 times faster than normal speed. We're not running out of tips here because I want you to earn as much as possible using this app and website. You can also set the quality lower. You can set it to 144p in order to reduce the consumption of data. This is advisable and very helpful when the internet connection is slow or if there are a lot of people using the internet. There is always a way, no matter the circumstances, and I'm here to share those ways with you. If you do this, then you can still listen to or play different playlists using multiple tabs. So I'm going to show you a Chrome extension that will surely come in handy. The extension is called YouTube Playback Speed Control. It's available for download on Google Chrome, whether you're using your computer or smartphone. Again, you do not have to pay for this as it's completely free when you download it to your Google Chrome browser. You now have the opportunity to play music on your phone at least 3 times the normal speed. As you've seen or know, the maximum playback speed on YouTube is only at number 2. But if you use the YouTube Playback Speed Control extension, you can play it 3 times faster. Like what I've said earlier, the more music you listen to, the more money you will get. This extension can make it easier and possible to maximize the amount of music you can play in a day or anytime you want to earn using Current. To give you a simple summary of what I'm talking about, just simply go to the Google Play Store and download the app. Or if you're an Apple user, go to the App Store and download the Current Rewards offline music app. I believe you can figure it out once you follow the things I told you and the tips I shared with you. Well, that's actually it.